focusing only on the negatives and not the possibility. Think about the possibility, how your life is going to look like if for some reason you achieve to have a successful YouTube channel. That means potentially a successful business. Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Stef, and if you need to erase any limiting beliefs and find the blueprint for the online business of your dreams, this is the place to be. Don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell below so you don't miss any of my new content. If you have clicked to watch this video, probably it's because you have been thinking for a while or even years to start your own YouTube channel. Maybe because you already have a business and you're thinking that to have a YouTube channel is a great platform for your business. Or maybe because you just want to have fun and maybe become a business in the future. But I'm sure that the main reason why you still don't have a YouTube channel is because you have limiting beliefs. So we are going to try to resolve those limiting beliefs in this video. One of the main issues that I see all the time, and it was a struggle for me to start even early my YouTube channel, was that I was thinking all the time, well, if my parents, my family, or my friends find out that I have a YouTube channel, what they are going to think about me? And I was a little bit shy even to share with them that I already started my YouTube channel. And the main reason was because sometimes they don't understand what are the benefits for a business person to have a YouTube channel. Because maybe they're binge watching videos, but maybe they are like dog and cat videos that I watch, by the way, but to be honest, there are other videos in YouTube and you are watching one of them. To be honest, in the moment that I shared with them that I was doing this, they were really supportive, they were subscribing, and they were even telling me, oh, so you're filming today? Okay, don't worry, we can have a drink or whatever other day. So don't be afraid. If they're really supportive in your life and your goals, they're going to be really supportive that you are trying to have a YouTube channel, because they know that this is a tool for you in order to reach your business goals. Maybe you already know that your family and friends are really supportive that you start a YouTube channel, but then you are thinking, well, I'm going to have strangers looking at my videos and they're going to judge me for every single detail. Well, this is going to happen. Don't worry about that. It's going to happen. But think about this. In the moment that someone wants to spend their time watching your videos and the only thing that they want to do is leave a hate comment on your comment section, that says more about them than it's saying about your video or the quality of the knowledge that you are sharing with your community. So just keep going, because success is the best revenge. Another limiting beliefs that I'm hearing all the time is when you're thinking about the content or the potential videos that you want to film, you're thinking that maybe those videos are not good enough, or the knowledge that you want to share is not good enough. And let me promise you this, that's not true, because in the moment that you share your knowledge with someone else, maybe it's like second nature to you. Like for me, sometimes something about business is second nature, but when I speak to someone else, when I speak to my beta clients, they are telling me, well, I have never thought about that. So for me, it's like brand new. So, and I was surprised, because for me it's something that is so simple and so easy. But yeah, I can promise you, in the moment that you have spent time trying to acquire knowledge and you are sharing your knowledge and creating content for your community, they are going to thank you, because there are people that are not sharing that knowledge. There are people that don't know about that. So don't worry about that. What you have right now is good enough. Another thing is that you need to improve yourself on the process, because this is going to be a lifetime learning journey for you, like it is for me. Because in the moment that I share my knowledge, I'm so eager and so excited that I want to acquire more knowledge so that I can share it with you. So it's a non-stop, but I'm having so much fun, and I promise you it's going to be so much fun for you. Don't worry about that. Another limiting belief that I hear all the time in order to stop you to start your own YouTube channel is, there are so many YouTubers. Okay, yeah, we know. Like there are so many Instagrammers. Everyone in the world have a YouTube channel or an Instagram account. But to be honest, if you want to succeed, these are the tools that you need. So don't worry about your competition. You need to do what you need to do. You need to be clear on your business. You need to be clear what kind of business do you want, the model, your niche, your ideal client, and basically what kind of problems you are going to solve for your client. And to start, you need to focus to start your own community. And yeah, it's going to take a little bit of time, like it's taking me, or maybe you're going to succeed overnight. You will never know until you try. But to be honest, this is an excuse, because if you don't start, you will never know. So my advice here is just to start first. I repeat myself, I know, but this is the most important step. And then secondly, is that you need to be consistent. So don't tell me that you're going to start and you're going to upload like one video every month or one video every 2 months because you don't have a schedule, you haven't thought about your content or anything like that. So start thinking about the content that you want to plan, and my best advice for you right now is what I did. Basically, I try to film and have a buffer of videos ready to go, at least like 4 at the beginning, 4, 6, whatever you feel comfortable, depending on your lifestyle. Because if you are like me, that I have a really stressful 9 to 6 job, to be honest, maybe I can film one video per week, maybe 2. I remember my record was 3 one day and I was like exhausted. So think about that and then be consistent. Have a buffer, because sometimes maybe 1 week you are not going to be able, something happens, life happens, and you are not going to be able to film. So yeah, prepare yourself and yes, press that button and upload the video. Next, let's talk about equipment for a second, shall we? Okay, I'm hearing all the time, I cannot start my YouTube channel because I don't have equipment and I don't have expensive DSLR. And people are even asking me what is the equipment that I have? And I'm going to be really, really honest with you right now. I'm filming since day one with my Samsung S9 Plus. And then I bought a light, I have a reflector, and then like a couple of months ago, we bought a microphone. That's it. At the beginning, it was even the like natural audio. You can start with what you have. First of all, because if you spend $5,000/euros/pounds in equipment and then you realize you don't really like it, you have basically wasted that money. So start with what you have, see what's going on, see if you really like it and if you think that it's worth it, and then if you make money in your business and you want to invest, you're welcome to do it. That's what I'm going to do. I'm not going to spend much money on equipment until I have a profitable business that I can have part of my profits and invest on equipment, because I know that this is going to be I think forever until YouTube thinks that maybe I don't need to have a YouTube channel anymore. But yeah, this is going to be a long term. I know that it's an investment, it's not an expense, and that's a big difference. I hope that all the advice that I give you so far is helping you already. But probably you are still nervous because you are thinking, but I'm shy, I'm an introvert, I cannot be in front of the camera. Hello. Yeah, I was hating to be in front of the camera. It took me almost 2 years to upload my first video because I try and I try again. First of all, because I think that I already mentioned this in a video, but I decided to start my YouTube channel in English. That is not my first language. So yeah, I love a challenge. At some point, I'm planning to have my YouTube channel in Spanish as well. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But yeah, you just need to try to practice. And with time, you're going to feel a little bit better and then a little bit more confident. And then you try to maybe upgrade your clothing or put a little bit of makeup, or one day you're feeling great, but then the day after that you try to film, you're not feeling that great. That's okay. That's why I say that it's really great for you to have a buffer, because sometimes you're not going to feel like it, or even you try. I have times that I try my best and for some reason my brain is like, no, not today. You have like a English stupid day that I call, and I'm not even to basically say a sentence that makes sense in English. But yeah, so don't worry, just start and improve on your way to success. That's it. Don't worry about it. If you're shy, you're going to be still shy, but it's you and your camera, and maybe you have a friend, or in my case, my beautiful boyfriend, that is helping you. But don't worry, no one is going to judge you, and the people are going to judge you maybe in the comments, but you don't know them. Doesn't matter. Just try to do it, because think about this. If with everything and all the limiting beliefs that I have shared here, you are focusing only on the negatives and not the possibility. Think about the possibility, how your life is going to look like if for some reason you achieve to have a successful YouTube channel. That means potentially a successful business, and in 1 year, 2 years, you can leave maybe your corporate job, or maybe you can be a stay-home mom with your YouTube channel, and you're providing the best life for your family and for you. That would be great. So please don't allow yourself to think about your negative beliefs. Think about the positive, the possibilities that you can reach, and just do it. I hope that this video was of value to you. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comment section down below, and I will be more than happy to answer them in a future video. And I will give you a shout out just for submitting the question. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. That you can reach, and just do it.
Just do it! Do it!
Okay, I wasn't expecting that.
Just do it.
He loved wrestling, as you can imagine.
Did it actually make the child buff?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's true. But he was doing like a wrestler.
Daddy, yeah. He
Yeah.
does that.
Yeah.
Ish.
And that's it.